Right, this is another video. They're all in the front garden now, and they're all over here. There were loads just then. Over here. So I'm in the front now. Please, please, do that again. I can't see them. I can hear them again. There were just loads before. Look at that. Here we go. Hey, how we go then? Oh. I thought it was going off then. Just wait 1 minute. They were all going over here before there were loads. In the front. Oh, there we go. Come on, please. Keep on going. Keep on going. Keep on coming. Keep on coming. Oh my god. Oh. Come on, keep on coming. Keep on coming. Keep on coming. I want to see more. I want to see those nice glitch wheels I just saw before. They're all over there, isn't it? Come on. Come on. Waiting again. Bloody hell. I have to wait now. Look at that. That's pretty, isn't it? All pinky. It's like a glittery tree. I'm sure some nice ones will come up in the sky. Oh, yeah. Wow, whoa. Look at that. That was excellent. I like that. I got that. All over there, you see. I got, oh, there, all going over here, I tell you. It's all happening. It's all happening. This is at the front. Before I was at the back. This is at the front. Standing like behind my door in the front. Watching the fireworks. They're nice, aren't they? Oh, it's behind a tree there. That really tree needs to get out of the way so I can see them properly. It's alright, at least I can see them doing lit up behind the tree. Whoa. Wow. Oh, sorry. Oh. Wow. Sorry, I did that whoa again. I'm going to record this. I love it. I love it. There's loads around here than in the back. There's more around here than in the back anyway. There's actually quite a few at the back, but it went off and waited for ages, so at the moment it's like loads at the front where that tree is. So I'm like waiting now for some more. More please! Can you hear them but I can't see them again? Just have to wait again. So I can see them now again. Yes, we'll do it in a minute. Looks like there was some over there somewhere. But over here is more over there. It's walking quite close. There's more, please. Ah. More fireworks, please. More. Hello. Oh. They are. Look. They are. Pew. Ooh, yeah, lovely. Lovely. I can hear them, but I can't see them. Do it again. I need to see them. What was like doing behind the tree there? See it sparkling behind that bushy tree there. So just ignore that. They'll all come up in a minute. See, or they like might do more a bit higher and do big glittery on the sky in a minute. I don't know. I'll just see what happens. Good on me. Bloody bit of cold out here though. Talking to me there. It's alright. No one's here to hear me anyway, so it doesn't matter. Or someone goes back. More please. More please. I'm waiting. Or was that it? No, no. A few more left. At least I can't hear Coco with bloody squeaky ball. That's annoying. Oh! Oh! Lovely. That was nice. Good job I got that. I heard it like that, you see. So, if I hear that, go in the sky like that. Just looking at that bush over there, because I know they're all coming from over there. And no, I'm not frightened of being out here on my own in the dark. Because there's nothing to be frightened of. I'm like thinking of the fireworks, not scary stuff. Okay, is that it? Is that it? Gone all quiet. It's gone all quiet. Wow. Well, I got a few, but it might. Hang on. What's that? Just seeing some liquid. Come on. Keep them coming. That's it. Keep them coming. Come on. There's a car being passed. Ooh. Wow. They were nice ones like that. I'm gonna be quiet again. Who? See, they're all behind that bush. Maybe not behind that bush. I'm just going quiet. I think that will do.